Ever noticed how small car problems slowly ruin your daily drive? I spend hours researching smart car gadgets that people actually use, not gimmicks, not flashy junk. These tools quietly fix everyday driving annoyances, upgrade your interior, and make your car feel more modern without changing the car itself. All product links are in the description. Let's start with number 7. Meet the Gesture LED light. It's a wireless LED display that sticks right onto your rear windshield. Using the remote, you can instantly flash a friendly wave to say thanks, throw a rock-on sign, or let's just say, a bold gesture when someone really deserves it. No window rolling, no yelling, just instant communication. It uses 175 high-definition LED beads, so it's bright enough to be seen clearly even during the day. It's funny, practical, and guaranteed to turn heads at traffic lights. Number 6. Turns your charger into car interior lighting. This is the 4-in-1 Retractable Starry Car Charger. And yes, before we even talk charging, look. At the top, it projects a starry sky right onto your car roof, which looks absolutely insane during night drives. But here's the satisfying part. Pull the cable to charge, and when you're done, one quick tug, and it snaps right back inside. The head pivots so you can adjust the angle, and since it's a built-in 4-in-1 setup, everyone in the car can charge without carrying extra cable. Finally, a car charger that actually upgrades your interior, if this fits your setup. Number 5. Fixes the mess every drive-thru lover knows too well. This is the car French fry and dip holder. It drops straight into your cup holder and gives your fries a stable, upright spot, no more sliding around. And here's the genius touch. A built-in side clip made specifically for your dipping sauce. That means fries and sauce in one place. No juggling, no spills. It keeps grease off your seats, keeps your food within easy reach, and makes eating in the car way less stressful. Number 4 is a survival tool for anyone who lives at the drive-thru. This isn't just a mat. It's a custom-fitted, inflatable mattress designed to turn your back seat into a flat bed that the pump is built in. Just press a button, and it inflates itself in minutes, complete with a raised headboard and a soft, flocked top layer that looks super cozy. It's a total upgrade for road trips or camping. Instead of reclining the front seat and hoping for the best, you get a proper lounge area that contours around your center console. And look at the pack down it. Auto deflates and folds into a bag that takes up almost no trunk space. Number 3, at first glance, this looks like a sleek desk gadget, but it's actually a compact emergency tool made for your car. This is the Baseus Safety Hammer. Instead of the old swing and smash style, it uses a spring-loaded press mechanism. You simply place the tip against the window, and press it delivers a focused impact without needing force. On the other end, there's a hidden blade designed for cutting through jammed seatbelts. The metal body feels solid and well built in the hand. What really stands out is the design. It doesn't look like an emergency tool at all, so it won't ruin your interior. It comes with a mounting base you can attach to your door panel or console. Number 2. It's basically a mini digital dashboard you can add to almost any car. This is the G4S Mini head-up display. It's ultra-compact, small enough to fit in your palm but still easy to read once it's on. It uses a 360-degree rotating suction mount, so you can place it on the windshield or angle it cleanly on your dashboard. Once powered on, it shows your speed, time, and compass direction in a bright digital display right in your line of sight. What makes it practical is the built-in sunshade hood, which helps keep the numbers clear even during daytime driving. It feels much cleaner than mounting a phone on your dash and gives your interior a more modern, digital look without blocking your view. If you want a simple tech upgrade without changing your whole setup, this one's worth checking out. Number 1, this looks like a sci-fi artifact, but it's actually a dashboard upgrade. This is the solar rotating car diffuser. The moment sunlight hits the base, the twin metal rings begin rotating smoothly around the crystal Centono batteries. No cables. It's fully solar powered. The metallic frame catches light beautifully, and the wooden base has a small slot where you add your own essential oil, to release a subtle scent as it spins. Unlike basic plastic air fresheners, this works as moving decor. If you want something that looks good and smells good without any setup, this is worth checking out. Links in the description. These 7 gadgets should help you figure out what actually fits your driving needs. All product links and details are in the description below. If you enjoy practical car gadgets like this,